We also got to talk about J.M. Smucker this morning, though, too. We're kind of pouring into these results. The company reporting mixed first quarter results, and they did see comparable net sales increase by 21%, driven by a 13% increase in volume, primarily thanks to, get this, Jif peanut butter. The snack foods company also raised its profit guidance for the full year, now expecting adjusted earnings per share between $9.45 and $9.85. Perhaps we can just pull up a quick look at J.M. Smucker shares once again to see how those shares are reacting here for our viewers. They're higher after this report, Rachelle, by about 3.2% right now.
And you raised some interesting points here. I mean, those comparable net sales you mentioned, Jif peanut butter. Got to admit, I'm not a peanut butter fan, but clearly millions of people out there are. Also saw contract manufacturing sales doing well, and then also tied to some of those divested pet food brands, because we know that there was some concern about how some of their pet food brands would do. And of course, also their coffee brands. You have to imagine Folgers also doing well for them. When people were sort of trading down, trying to save a few bucks maybe from that cup of Starbucks when they're trying to tighten their purse strings, Folgers brand has really done very well here as people have been trading down. And especially, people are trying to make some choices, but then you have to wonder some of the more expensive consumer food items like their jams or their jellies, whether or not people will be willing to trade down there as well. So that'll be an interesting conversation to have.
Yeah, and I know what people are thinking at home. What about the Uncrustables? Well, they did pretty good. Smucker's Uncrustable frozen sandwiches, as well as Jif peanut butter, they drove some of the volume mix net sales increase by 28 percentage points there. And then also they saw some higher net price realization, increasing net sales by 22 percentage points as well. So for all the Uncrustables fans out there, that just a little nugget for you to snack on if you would like.